Our project is determination of heart diseases by ECG using LabVIEW. Our aim of the project is to classify different types of cardiac abnormalities from patients' ECG data collected over a period of time. Provides a sense of safety to the subjects without the hassles of permanent monitoring. Offers a valuable tool for easy measurement of ECG. The previous techniques use the discrete values of ECG signals are directly used for disease classifications. They are not well equipped to cope with the growing needs in cardiology. Simple and cost-effective techniques which would serve a bridge between medical and instrumentation fields. The components which we use are EKG sensor, a DAC card which is 6211 from National Instruments, and analog prototype board which interfaces the DAC with the system which contains the LabVIEW software. The block diagram of a project is given us. It consists of a DAC assistant, and we provide the length of experiment and the sample rate. The length of the experiment is given, and the sample rate is also given, which is passed through the history folder which holds the data and traces it to the DAC assistant. The DAC assistant gets the information from the EKG sensor and passes it to the various equipments which we provide in this block diagram, which is the smooth signals, tone measurements, etc. Then if we have to write a file, we provide a write to measurement file. Then it is done by the boolean. The boolean, if it is on, it provides the value, else it won't give the values. Next we go for SMTP. SMTP is which we receive the message that from the sender, email from the sender, and the patient who requires the email is passed through the SMTP. The SMTP is the major block of LabVIEW. The LabVIEW system is being interfaced with the analog prototype board using a DAC, using the DAC card of 6211, and the pins which are present in the analog prototype board are V1 resistance, plus 5 volt, ground, signal 1 and signal 2. The plus 5 volt is connected to the DAC 6211 plus 5 volt, and the ground pin is connected with AO ground of the DAC card, and the signal 1 is being connected with the AIO positive input. Then we shall go with the placement of the electrodes. The black electrode is placed above the right wrist, and the green electrode is placed above the right elbow, and the red electrode is placed above the left elbow of the patient. We have 3 connections. The 3 connections resembles the Einthoven triangle. The Einthoven triangle is the basic type of recording an ECG waveform. Now we go for the initialization of the DAC. Double click the DAC. Then we have a menu box which contains the type of sensor being used, vernier EKG sensor, and the signal input range is placed as 5 volt. Then click OK. Now the DAC is being initialized. After initialization of the DAC, check the length of the experiment and the sample rate. Then click Ctrl R, which runs the LabVIEW experiment. The ECG waveform is being recorded from the patient, and the dialog box which shows now is the file which we have to write the files. We are giving the file name as FIBAL something. Then click OK. The other blocks which we use here are smooth signals, smooth signal, a waveform graph, and the smooth signal which provides the FFT output, and the waveform graph, the first graph which shows the derivative signals, and waveform graph 3 provides the integrated signals, and the waveform graph 2, it shows the integrated output from the integral. The graphical data which shows provides the type of signals which we got, whether the patient is affected by a tachycardia or brachycardia or normal. If it is a normal, the normal glows, and it is given by the heart rate values. The values of the EKG graph is being stored in an array. The each and every values of the graph is being stored in the array. After recording the ECG waveform, we go for the patient's email ID. The patient email ID is j.hanu1238@gmail.com. We have entered into it. Here an email from the doctor is being sent through it, which is opening. Then the file is being downloaded. It is just the test.html which we have tested using our project. The tested project is being opened, and here we have heart rate variability analyzers, histogram, point care plot, and the RR intervals are being located over here, and FFT spectrums. We have many values, and AR spectrum, STFT spectrogram, Gabor spectrogram, wavelet coefficients, DFA plot. All these values are being gathered and sent to the patient's mail ID. Our future enhancement of this project is by gaining the PR interval from the ECG waveforms, PR interval as well as the QRS complex and RT interval, etc., RR interval also. We will provide the type of diseases, the major heart diseases, using this variations of PR from the ECG waveforms. These things will be shown in our next video. Thank you for watching our video.